Hello everyone, Edwin here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Khan Academy that is on SmilePi. Before, let's first connect our SmilePi. There's one that is on the internet, and to access that, just go to the web browser of your choice, and on the URL address bar, just enter the IP address 196.43.131.13 and then press enter. After that, it will take you to the application page you are seeing here. If you see this application page, just know you are in. If you see this, just know you've been logged in. But if your SmilePi is not on internet, you've connected it locally at home or at school or in the office somewhere, go to your network icon, and then on the list of networks, you will see your SmilePi network there. Like mine is smile_1811, and then you connect it. It will show you there is no internet because it is not accessing internet. It is serving you the content that is inside. Now, after, let's enter start dot here. So if you enter start dot here, it will allow you to access the one that is locally on your web browser, and then you will enter your name to log yourself in. Press enter, you are logged in, and there are a list of applications as you can see, but we are going to do Khan Academy. Now, a little bit about Khan Academy. Khan Academy is an organization that have dedicated themselves to putting educational content for learners and teachers, for educators and learners majorly. So they have all subjects, they have video tutorials, they have questions. So what you do, you can watch the tutorials and then answer the questions that follows after. Let's explore it. So click challenge yourself. It will take you to the Khan Academy Lite page, and then these tabs, these navigations, this one, you can search your topic you're looking for there straight, or you can come to learn, and then it will give you a list of subjects that you can learn: math, science, economics and finance, arts and humanity, computing, and very many others. Let's do science, and then under science you can see other subjects: biology, physics. Let's pick biology, and let's do water, acid property of water. Now, as you can see, there is this is test preparation, and this one has videos. So there are two things. If you see an icon that looks like a pen, it means it's for you to test your understanding of the subjects. So it will take you to the test page. But if you see a YouTube-like icon on your or on the subject or the topic or the subject you're looking for, it means it is a tutorial, a video tutorial that you can watch. For example, let's do hydrogen bonding in water. You can see, just come and click
play. I don't think it's any secret to anyone that water is essential to life. Most of the biological, or actually, frankly, all of the significant biological processes in your body are dependent on water and are probably occurring inside of water. When you think of the cells in your body, the cytoplasm inside of your cells, that is mainly water. In fact, me, who is talking to you right now, I am 60 to 70% water. You can think of me as kind of this big bag of water. making a video right now. And it's not just human beings that need water. Life as we know it is dependent on water. That's why I did with covalent bonds. And covalent bonds, each of these bonds is a pair of electrons that both of these atoms get to pretend like they have. And so you have these two pairs. And you might be saying, well, why didn't I draw the two hydrogens on this end? Why didn't I draw them on opposite sides of the oxygen? Well, that's because oxygen also has two lone electron pairs. Two lone electron pairs. And these things are always repelling each other. The electrons are repelling from each other. And so in reality, if we were looking at 3 dimensions, the oxygen molecule is kind of a tetrahedral shape. I could let me try to draw it a little bit. So if this is the oxygen right over here, then you could have maybe one lone pair of electrons. I'll draw this a little green circle there, another lone pair of electrons.
That was the video as I told you before. So these icons, these icons are videos that you can watch about certain subject that you want. Let's first go back to mathematics, and then let's do pre-algebra, factors and multiples, divisibility, and as you can see, we have videos, and then one divisibility test. This is where, after watching these videos, you can come and test yourself if you've understood. Let's try one video and one test. Let's play it.
What we're going to do in this video are some real quick tests to see if these 3 random numbers are divisible by any of these numbers here. And I'm not going to focus a lot on the why of why they're divisible. We'll do that in other videos. But really just to give you a sense of how do you actually test to see if this is divisible by 2 or 5 or 9 or 10. So let's get started. So to test whether any of these are divisible by 2, you really just have to look at the ones place and see if the ones place is divisible by 2. And right over here, 8 is divisible by 2, so this thing is going to be divisible by 2. 0 is considered to be divisible by 2, so this is going to be divisible by 2. Another way to think about it is if you have an even number over here, and 0 is considered to be an even number, then you're going to be divisible by 2. So, and over here, you do not have a number that is divisible by 2. This is not an even number, this 5, so this is not divisible by 2, so I won't write any 2 there. So we've gone through the 2's. Now let's work through the 3's. So to figure out if you're divisible by 3, you really just have to add up all the digits and figure out if the sum is divisible by 3. So let's do that. So if I do 2 plus 7 plus 9, actually let me just write it out. Plus 9 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8. What's this going to be equal to? 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 9 is 27. Plus 5 is 32. Plus 8 is 40, plus 8 is 48. And 48 is divisible by 3, but in case you're not sure, so this is equal to 48, in case you're not sure whether it's divisible by 3, you can just add these digits up again. So 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, and 12 clearly is divisible by 3. And if you're not even sure there, you could add those 2 digits up. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And so this is divisible by 3. This right over here, let's add up the digits. And we can do this one in our head pretty easily. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 0 is 18. And if you want to add the 1 plus 8 on the 18, you get 9. So the digits add up to 9. Digits, let me do this so these add up to 9. They add to 18, which is clearly divisible by 3 and by 9, and these 2 things will add to 9. So the important thing to know is when you add up all the digits, the sum is divisible by 3. So
okay, as you can see, that's a video tutorial. Let's try the test, divisibility test. Is that divisible by 4? This is an even number. I'm just going to say yes. Let's see. It's checking the answer. It's not correct. So if I say no and check the answer, it's correct. Yeah? So as you can use the method that they used in the video. I did not use it because I'm trying to follow I don't have a lot of time. But if you follow the video, you will be able to get it correct and then you get the correct answer. Next question, is that divisible by 9? So you just add them the way they did it in the video. I'll just click here. It's correct. I don't know how I did not do it, but I just guessed it. But as you watch the video, you can do it somewhere on a piece of paper and find out, and then come and check the answer if it is correct. Yeah, so that is all about Khan Academy. Watch the tutorial, test yourself. Watch the tutorial, test yourself like that, and that can help a lot, especially during this lockdown when all the learners are at home, to help them learn as they are staying home and staying safe. So thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next video. God bless you all.